Little Fox.
Fat and Friends, Cat and Dog. Episode 1. Big News. Farmer came to the barn. His phone rang.
Hello?
Said Farmer.
Yes. The watchdog is coming today.
Farmer talked and talked. Cow moved closer to hear. Then Farmer left the barn.
Moo!
Cried Cow.
Moo, moo, moo!
Pig ran from his pen. Cat and Bat came too.
I have news,
Said Cow.
What is it?
Asked Pig.
It is big news.
Said Cow.
A dog is coming to the farm. A dog?
Cried Cat.
Yes,
Said Cow.
a dog. But dogs bark.
Said Cat.
And they chase cats. Dogs do not like cats.
Said Cat.
And cats do not like dogs.
Fat and Friends, Cat and Dog. Episode 2. Cat Hides.
Is dog big or little?
Asked Pig.
I think he's big.
Said Cow.
What will dog do?
Bat asked.
He is a watchdog.
Said Cow.
Dog will watch the farm. He will keep it safe.
Said Cow.
He will not keep me safe.
Said Cat.
Dogs do not like cats. Some dogs like cats.
Said Cow.
No, they don't.
Said Cat. Soon Cat left the barn. She saw a truck. The truck came closer and closer. Then, Dog got out.
Woof! Woof!
Said Dog.
I must hide.
Said Cat.
I must hide now.
Cat looked around. She saw a tall tree. Cat ran to the top.
This is a good place.
Said Cat.
Dog will not get me here.
Fat and Friends, Cat and Dog. Episode 3. Dog helps cat. Dog went into the barn.
Who lives here?
He asked.
I live here.
Said Cow.
Bat and pig and cat do too.
Where is Cat?
Asked Dog.
I don't know.
Said Cow. Cat was way up high. She held on tight.
Help!
She cried.
Cat!
Called Pig.
Where are you?
Said Cow.
I'm stuck in the tree.
Cried Cat.
I can't get down.
I can help.
Said Dog. He ran to the house.
Woof! Woof!
Said Dog. He barked and barked. At last Farmer came out. Dog ran back to the tree. Farmer ran too. Farmer knew what to do. He got Cat down. Everyone cheered.
Huh. Some dogs do like cats.
Said Cat.
Little Fox.